Next, we are going to learn about installation of guest lift in hotels. We will be discussing the critical process of installing guest lifts in hotels, which play a key role in enhancing guest experience, accessibility, and operational efficiency. Let's take a closer look at the steps involved, from planning to ongoing maintenance. Planning and design. Introduction of planning and design. To begin, the installation of a guest lift requires careful planning and design to ensure it meets the specific needs of the hotel. Determine location and number of lifts. The location and number of lifts should be based on the size of the hotel and its guest capacity. A larger hotel with many floors will obviously require more lifts to manage traffic efficiently. Consider key factors. Key factors to consider include space availability within the hotel, the expected traffic flow of guests and staff, and accessibility requirements, especially for guests with disabilities. Collaborate with experts. It is essential to collaborate with architects and engineers during this phase to ensure the design complies with building codes and regulations. Their expertise ensures that the lift is seamlessly integrated into the hotel's design. Obtaining permits and approvals. Key responsibilities. Before installation begins, obtaining the necessary permits and approvals is a critical step. Submit documentation. Submit detailed documentation, including design plans and safety measures, to local authorities for permit approval. Ensure compliance. It's vital that the installation meets all safety regulations and standards set by relevant local and international authorities to guarantee the lift's safe operation. Obtain clearances. Clearances must be secured for all electrical, mechanical, and structural aspects to ensure a smooth installation process. Procedures and installation process. Once the planning and approvals are in place, we move on to the actual installation process. Select manufacturer or supplier. Choosing the right manufacturer or supplier is key. This decision should be based on the quality of the lifts, their reliability, and the after-sales service provided. Coordinate. Delivery and installation. Coordinate the delivery and installation process with the supplier to ensure all components are available when needed and that installation stays on schedule. Engage qualified technicians. Qualified and experienced technicians must be engaged to install the lift, ensuring that all components are correctly assembled and operational. Electrical and mechanical connections. Critical connections. After installation, the lift must be properly connected and tested to ensure safe operation. Electrical supply. The lift must be connected to a reliable electrical supply with proper grounding to prevent power issues. Safety features. It's crucial to install safety features such as emergency stop buttons and interlocks to protect passengers in case of malfunction. Mechanical components. The mechanical components, including motors, pulleys, and cables, must be tested to ensure smooth and safe operation. Testing and inspection. Ensure functionality and safety. After installation, comprehensive testing and inspection must take place. Thorough testing. Test the lift thoroughly, ensuring all functionalities work, especially emergency procedures like backup power or manual override in case of a power failure. Schedule inspections. Schedule inspections by authorized personnel to verify that the lift complies with all safety standards before it is used by guests. Address issues. If any deficiencies or issues are identified during testing or inspection, they must be resolved promptly to avoid operational delays. Certification and documentation. Regulatory compliance. After successful testing, it's time to finalize the installation by obtaining certifications and documentation. Obtain certifications. Certifications from relevant regulatory bodies confirm that the lift meets all safety and performance requirements. Maintain records. It's important to maintain detailed records of the installation process, inspections, and ongoing maintenance activities for future reference. Display signage. Don't forget to display the required safety signage inside the lift. which includes operating instructions and emergency contact information. Training and handover process. Before the lift is put into full operation, it's important to properly hand it over to the hotel management team. Comprehensive training. Provide comprehensive training for hotel staff on how to operate the lift, what to do in an emergency, and how to perform basic maintenance checks. Final walkthrough. Conduct a final walkthrough with the hotel management team to ensure they understand the lift's features, functionality, and safety measures. Documentation. Handover. Provide manuals, maintenance schedules, and any relevant documentation to hotel management for future reference. Regular maintenance and servicing maintenance strategy. Finally, regular maintenance is essential to ensure the continued safe and efficient operation of the lift. Establish maintenance schedule. Work with a qualified service provider to establish a regular maintenance schedule. This ensures that inspections and servicing are done in a timely manner. Routine checks. Routine checks should focus on key areas such as safety features, electrical connections, and the mechanical components to prevent any issues. Address issues promptly. Any issues that arise during routine checks must be addressed promptly to avoid disruptions in service and ensure the lift remains safe for guests. In conclusion, the installation of a guest lift in a hotel is a complex but essential process. From planning and obtaining permits to installation, testing, and maintenance, every step must be carefully managed to ensure safety, reliability, and guest satisfaction. By following these procedures, hotels can provide their guests with a smooth, efficient, and safe experience when using the lifts.